Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download files from Telegram. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just look for Telegram, right? And make sure that the Telegram app is fully updated to the latest version, so you can actually get access and fix the bugs and the improvements in the features and more. So basically, I'm gonna just open up the Telegram app, and as you can see, we're gonna just wait it out, and afterwards you're gonna see right here the interface of the app. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to any chat that you want to download the file. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna just go ahead to this chat. Right now, if I want to download a file from this chat, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and hold, and you're gonna be able to see I'm gonna select this the PDF file. Right, I'm gonna just select on it, and as you can see right here, you will see this is my PDF file. I'm gonna just click the upload button, the first one on your left at the below left. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see multiple options. Scroll or swipe scroll down until you find the save to files. Go ahead and save to files, and basically you hit save, and now the document has been saved to your files. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.